Welcome back. My name is Brian Jojotieno, and this is the latest in the world of business. The National Treasury is set to actualize key investments in the health sector after receiving 1.15 billion shillings from power producer Kenya Electricity Generating Company. Treasury Cabinet Secretary Ukur Yattani exuded confidence that the Kenyan economy is gradually stabilizing after facing a major contraction occasioned by the COVID-19 pandemic.
To pay the government Kenya shillings 1.1 billion in dividend for the financial year that ended 30th June 2019.
The check that we're going to give out today will be applied in the critical areas that's going to support the mitigation on COVID and other challenges that has been brought by COVID. And these are mainly in the social sectors. We are undertaking a number of investments in the social sector, mainly health. If we now go to visit a number of places in Nairobi, we are undertaking investments. We're establishing a number of health facilities, several health facilities in all the informal sector settlement. And they only depend on the exchequer. But now with the boost of this support, we'll be expanding more and realizing more development and generally contribute to the welfare and the betterment of our people.
So on to some more good news. East Africa's largest technology industrial park is fast